Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Fatihah Ilmal Fitrah and my friend is Syahfitri Dwi Kirani. We would like to share the material about clause. Definition of clause. Clause is a group of words that contain subject and predicate. However, the clause does not stand alone, but becomes a complement to other sentence. Subject is about what or who is being discussed, while predicate explains something about the subject. Subject can be people, animals, object, or abstract concept, while predicate can be a verb or auxiliary verb plus verb with or without additional word to complete the meaning of the sentence. The clause may be a sentence that can stand alone as a sentence, namely, an independent clause or like a sentence that cannot stand alone, which is called a dependent clause. Types of clause. First, independent clause. Second, dependent clause. And then, dependent clause have three types. First, noun clause. Second, adjective clause. And third, adverbial clause. First, independent clause. Independent clause can stand alone as a sentence. The sentence product by an independent clause is called a simple sentence, but an independent clause can also be combined with other independent clause which will product a compound sentence. If you want to combine two independent clause, then you are obligated to insert the following word between the two clauses. First, coordinate conjunction, for example, for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Second, semicolon. And third, adverbial conjunction, for example, however, rather, therefore. The example of independent clause. Simple sentence, subject plus verb. For example, first, the ceremony starts at 7 a.m. Second, I prefer eating mango to apple. Compound sentence, subject plus verb plus conjunction or semicolon plus subject plus verb. For example, first, she likes apple but you like pear better. Second, I'm not a big fan of dessert, however, I would love to eat ice cream now. Third, I have done all of my homework. I'm going to go home now. Second, dependent clause. Dependent clause is a clause that cannot stand alone. Dependent clause must be complete with subject and predicate, but this clause cannot be used to express a complete thought. Why is that? Because this clause must begin with a subordinator. This makes the meaning of the clause hang or feel unfinished. Therefore, if you want this clause to be understood, the clause must be combined with the independent clause, or which is the main clause, so that it becomes a complex sentence.
Okay, the next is types of dependent clause. Dependent clause is divided into three types. The first one is noun clause. The definition of noun clause. Noun clause is a dependent clause which function as a noun, and because it is function as a noun, this clause can function as a sentence component such as subject, object of verb, object of preposition, and subject complement, and can be replaced by the pronoun of it. And the formula of this clause is if or whether or that or question word plus s plus v. The example is I listened carefully to what she said, and I wonder if he lives in West Jakarta. And the next, Clara believes that her life will be happier. Okay, the second type is adjective clause. Adjective clause or relative clause is a dependent clause which acts as an adjective which explains the noun or pronoun in the main clause of a complex sentence. Complex sentence is a sentence that consisting of an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. So the formula of this clause is, the first one is relative pronoun plus s plus v, and the second one is relative adverb plus s plus v. The example is, people who are smart follow the rules. I still remember the day when you fall asleep in the office meeting room. The reason why Clara went to law school is that she didn't want to be a doctor. Okay, and the last types of this dependent clause is adverbial clause. Adverbial clause is a dependent clause that functions as an adverb and provides information about verbs, adjective, or adverb that are in the independent clause with the capacity to answer questions such as how, when, where, and why. An adverbial clause beginning with a word called the subordinate conjunction, such as when, after, because, and though, which connect it with an independent clause. The combination of an adverbial clause and an independent clause is called a complex sentence. The formula of this clause is subordinate conjunction plus S plus V. The example is, I was sleeping when my sister arrived. The carnival show will start after the sun goes down. Because she loved his, she didn't believe he had an affair. Okay, maybe that's all our material today. Thank you for watching, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.